In today's digital landscape, content creation has become remarkably streamlined thanks to the plethora of online apps and software available. One such standout tool is Pika Labs, a free AI video generator that simplifies the process by effortlessly transforming text or image prompts into engaging short videos. With its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities, Pika Labs empowers creators to bring their ideas to life with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos on the latest innovations in technology and creativity. Stay tuned for exciting updates, tutorials, and tips to enhance your digital creativity journey. Introduction to Pika Lab. Welcome to the innovative world of Pika Lab, where creativity meets cutting-edge technology to transform your ideas into captivating videos effortlessly. Pika Lab stands as a trailblazer in the realm of content creation, offering a free AI video generator that turns text or image prompts into dynamic short videos. With its user-friendly interface, Pika Lab bridges the gap between technical complexity and accessibility, allowing users of all backgrounds to embark on a seamless video creation journey. Explore the boundless possibilities of this platform, whether you're a marketer looking to enhance campaigns, a storyteller weaving narratives, or a social media enthusiast engaging your audience. Pika Lab empowers you to bring your vision to life, breaking down barriers and unlocking the potential for professional quality videos at your fingertips. Join the Pika Lab community and redefine your approach to video creation with simplicity, versatility, and unparalleled creativity. Pika Labs boasts a versatile AI model capable of producing an array of content types, revolutionizing the way creators approach video production. Here's how Pika Labs stands out. 1. AI-driven video generation. Pika Labs harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate videos from text or image prompts. Its advanced algorithms analyze the input and automatically create dynamic visuals, including 3D animations, live-action clips, and cinematic sequences. This AI-driven approach eliminates the need for extensive manual editing, enabling users to produce polished videos in a fraction of the time. 2. Customizable video options. Pika Labs provides users with a variety of customizable options to tailor their videos according to their preferences. Users can choose from different aspect ratios, frame rates, and motion controls to achieve the desired visual effects. Whether creating content for social media, presentations, or marketing campaigns, Pika Labs offers flexibility to adapt to various platforms and formats. 3. Image and video integration. In addition to text prompts, Pika Labs allows users to incorporate images and videos into their creations. This feature enables users to enhance their videos with additional visual elements such as logos, graphics, or background footage. By seamlessly integrating multimedia assets, users can create more engaging and dynamic content that resonates with their audience. 4. Real-time preview. Pika Labs offers a real-time preview feature that allows users to preview their videos as they make changes. This interactive workflow enables users to visualize the final output and make adjustments on the fly, ensuring that the video meets their expectations. By providing instant feedback, Pika Labs empowers users to iterate quickly and refine their creations with ease. 5. Cloud-based collaboration. Pika Labs offers cloud-based collaboration features that facilitate teamwork and communication among users. Teams can collaborate on video projects in real time, sharing ideas, feedback, and edits seamlessly. This collaborative approach promotes efficiency and creativity, allowing teams to work together regardless of geographical location or time zone. Overall, Pika Labs' diverse features empower users to unleash their creativity and produce high-quality videos with ease, making it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, educators, and more. Tutorial. To start creating your video on Pika Labs, begin by logging in and accessing the dashboard. Next, input a descriptive prompt into the designated field, and if desired, supplement it with images or videos. Then, customize your video options by selecting the preferred aspect ratio and frame rate. For added precision, adjust motion controls as needed to fine-tune the visual effects. Once satisfied with your settings, simply click the Generate button to initiate the video creation process. Pika 1.0 streamlines the entire process, offering a user-friendly interface for crafting engaging videos effortlessly. Advantages. Pika Labs offers a multitude of advantages, revolutionizing the video creation process with its cutting-edge AI technology. Firstly, its user-friendly interface simplifies video production, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. Secondly, Pika Labs' AI-driven algorithms streamline the creation process, generating professional quality videos from simple text or image prompts with ease. Additionally, its diverse range of customization options allows users to tailor their videos to specific needs, from adjusting aspect ratios to fine-tuning motion controls. Furthermore, Pika Labs' efficient processing capabilities ensure swift video rendering, enabling users to bring their ideas to life promptly. Overall, Pika Labs empowers creators to unleash their creativity and produce engaging video content effortlessly. Here are some examples of what users can create using Pika Labs. 1. Text-to-video conversion. Users can input descriptive text prompts such as a journey through space or exploring ancient ruins, and Pika Labs transforms these textual concepts into visually stunning videos. The AI algorithm interprets the text and generates corresponding scenes complete with animations, backgrounds, and effects. 2. Image enhancement. Pika Labs excels in enhancing static images to create dynamic video content. Users can upload images and prompt the AI to animate specific elements within them, such as making a landscape come alive with flowing rivers or adding movement to a character's facial expressions. 3. Live action integration. Pika Labs seamlessly integrates live action footage into generated videos, enabling users to combine pre-recorded clips with AI-generated content. For example, users can incorporate footage of themselves discussing a topic while AI-generated animations and effects dynamically enhance the visuals in the background. 4. Interactive storytelling. Pika Labs facilitates interactive storytelling by allowing users to create branching narratives. Users can input multiple prompts representing different story paths, and Pika Labs generates corresponding video sequences, providing an engaging and immersive storytelling experience. 5. Educational content. Pika Labs supports the creation of educational videos by transforming text-based lesson plans or explanations into visually engaging animations. This feature enables educators to illustrate complex concepts or historical events in a captivating and easy-to-understand format. These examples demonstrate the diverse applications of Pika Labs, from creating entertaining narratives to producing educational content, all powered by its advanced AI technology. While Pika Labs offers an innovative solution for video content creation, users may encounter several challenges when using the platform. Here are 5 common hurdles and how to overcome them. 1. Learning curve. Initially, users may face a learning curve while familiarizing themselves with Pika Labs' interface and features. To overcome this challenge, take advantage of available tutorials, guides, and online resources provided by Pika Labs. Additionally, experimenting with different features and functionalities will help improve proficiency over time. 2. Complex prompts. Generating compelling videos requires clear and descriptive prompts. Users may struggle to formulate complex prompts that effectively communicate their ideas. To address this challenge, break down the concept into simpler elements and focus on conveying the main message succinctly. Additionally, brainstorming with colleagues or peers can provide valuable insights and help refine the prompt. 3. Limited customization. While Pika Labs offers a range of templates and options for customization, users may find certain aspects limited in terms of customization. To overcome this challenge, leverage the available customization tools to the fullest extent. Experiment with different settings such as aspect ratios, frame rates, and motion controls to achieve the desired outcome. Additionally, providing feedback to Pika Labs' development team may lead to future updates and enhancements. 4. Rendering time. Rendering time can be a significant challenge, particularly for longer or more complex videos. Users may experience delays in generating their videos, impacting workflow efficiency. To mitigate this challenge, optimize the video content and settings to minimize rendering time. Additionally, consider rendering videos during off-peak hours to reduce processing times. 5. Technical issues. Users may encounter technical issues such as software glitches, compatibility issues, or connectivity problems while using Pika Labs. To address this challenge, ensure that your device meets the platform's system requirements and that you have a stable internet connection. Additionally, regularly update the software and troubleshoot any technical issues promptly by reaching out to Pika Labs customer support. Despite these challenges, Pika Labs continues to evolve, addressing user feedback and refining its features to enhance the video creation experience for all users. As we conclude our exploration of Pika Labs, it's evident that this cutting-edge AI video generator opens new frontiers in content creation, empowering users with the ability to effortlessly transform text and image prompts into dynamic videos. Pika Labs stands as a testament to innovation and accessibility. Despite its incredible features, users might encounter challenges, but with a proactive approach, these hurdles can be overcome, paving the way for a seamless and enriching creative experience. Pika Labs not only simplifies the complexities of video editing, but also democratizes the process, making it accessible to individuals of all technical backgrounds. Its intuitive design and AI-driven functionalities enable users to produce professional quality videos without extensive editing skills. Whether you're a marketer aiming to enhance campaigns or a storyteller seeking to bring narratives to life, Pika Labs offers a user-friendly platform that sparks creativity. To stay updated on the latest developments in ad-driven creativity and to explore more insightful content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Together, let's continue exploring the frontiers of technology and creativity with Midjourney as our guide.